I'm Donald. Today I will teach you how to fold an amazing plane. I will teach you how to fold this plane. It looks amazing, but I will teach you how to fold in the next video. Today we know I teach you how to fold other planes. So this is an amazing plane with 2 spikes. This plane got 2 heads. So all you need to fold this plane is an 8.5 or A4 sheet of paper, and here I even got a box of paper airplane. I teach you how to fold all of them in the few next step by step. I even teach you how to fold this amazing plane. Everything in this box I teach you to fold later in many different videos. Okay, so first, almost all planes need center crease instead of Zephyr is plane without center crease. But we're not going to make today because I haven't known how to make it. So fold it in half. You must make your center crease and then open that up and then fold it a big triangle across this and across until it get to that corner. Just wait for me to finish folding this. Here, this corner, this triangular thing must be this edge must be until you get to this corner, and then you make your crease. Okay, do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so, and then we open that up. Here's a little bit tricky step for beginners with a new paper airplane. We do a water bomb base. Here, this step is a little bit difficult, so I'll teach you. This will be easy for someone who has do origami for a long time. It's called the water bomb base. As we pull in, we pull in and we land it in this paper. Now we got a big triangular thing here. Now we press it flat. The corners have to be and here when I finish, you can see this paper is finished. And then here, we flip this tab over. Here, flip this one over. And then, no, not that flip. We fold this in. Fold this one into this corner here. And then do the same thing on the other side. And then you unfold that, unfold this, and then let me do this first. I'll show you this. And then this actually is not complex fold. This is just a normal fold. Here we fold this one down until this center crease, and 2 of this line must be lined up, and then we fold up. This is a little bit tricky. Let me do it first. Fold it up. As you can see, when I fold it up, here I fold this, you can see we got this big pocket here. You press it flat, and then you got 1 spike. This is one of the trickiest steps in this plane. Actually, this plane is quite a little bit difficult, but it's actually not that hard. But this plane, this is not really difficult. It's normal, advanced. Flatten this I'll do it again because this step is a little bit difficult. Fold this up and that up, and then you got a bolt here. Flatten it. This looks like a pocket. And then you flip it in other side. As you can see, I flip it in other side. Don't see any layers here. Okay. Let me fold this until I finish. I'll show you. As you can see, as we can open this thing up. So we fold this down. We are flipping in the other side and fold this down. When you finish folding that, now you got two spikes here. And then wait for me, I'm doing this fold to make those. This fold is a little bit tricky. There are some tricky steps on this one. Take a little bit time to fold it down. That in. It's really advanced. This here. I finish it so I can show you this. Here we fold this tab. You can see we have this tab here. We push it in and then make a crease. And we almost done. Now let me fix. Let me reverse it a little bit because I'm doing a little wrong. And then you fold it in half. Fold it in half so you can see one side of the coin. And then fold your wings. Really simple. Very simple. As you know, the center of the coin is a little bit hard and thick. So use your thumb to push it there to flatten the whole thing. When you finish, when you open up, you must look like this. Really beautiful, right? And then you fold the winglets. This one is the final step. We fold this maybe about, estimate it, maybe about almost 2 centimeters. And then you fold that, and then the crease I just made, and then fold it in half again, and then fold, and then that again, and then that again. Okay, now we fold, and then same thing on the other side. And then, there you go, an amazing airplane that will dart across our room. Look how beautiful it is. We've got 2 spikes, beautiful ones, that will dart across our room, will fly over across our room. That could be going to work. And final reminder, next video I'll teach you how to fold this plane. Maybe I'll show you the beauty of this plane. It's called thrusters.